In this video I'm going to show you how to tear down a Plettenberg BigMaxximum. But first, the tools you need are a Phillips head, Phillips wan't, a screwdriver, or another brand, a pair of pliers, and a 2.5mm hex. First thing you want to do is make sure your workspace is clean, because there's a very strong magnet in the motor itself. And then you're gonna remove the black little screws at the back with your screwdriver. There are 4 of them. Make sure you don't lose them, they're very small. Just remove them. Then you can take this blue cover off, like so, and you have left over this. Now you want to remove these 4 black screws also. Make sure you set a lot of pressure on the screws, because they're a little bit soft, so the head can be broken. These screws, again, very small. Make sure you don't lose them. You can use a little cup like this. This one's full, to put them in, or just lay them out in a corner where you can't lose them. Here's another one. Then you just pull here and make sure it's very hard to do because the magnet is very strong. This, and just pull it out of the motor itself. Here you have the rotor, and then when it's right, it's very easy to turn it around. When you feel any grinding or something like that, you maybe want to change your bearings at the front or at the rear. Now you have this little fan on it. You can just remove that with a 2.5mm hex. This one is very strong, very tight, so you make sure you have a lot of pressure on it. And just turn it out of here, setting in the rotor itself. So there you have it. When you did it right, you can just pull the whole assembly off. Here's your little fan and the back plate of your motor itself. I have used a small shim at the back of the screw. This little screw that keeps falling, and because I heard a little this when it when it turns out to be the ventilator. The fan was grinding against the back assembly, which you can see here. So there you have it, inside of your motor, and yeah, that's how you take it apart. Hope you can use it, and again, make sure to watch out with this rotor, because there's a very strong magnet. You can see here, it just makes a little screw and it just don't fall off. It shims. It's very strong, so make sure you don't have any metal laying around where it's can be dirty, and make sure when you put the rotor back in the motor itself, the motor housing, that the rotor is clean, because otherwise it's gonna be not good, of course. Field bearings, this one, this two, I just replaced, so they're very nice without grinding or anything. So it's there you have it, motor completely out of disassembled. I hope you had something on it and can use it, and thanks for watching. See you later.